In today's video, we're going to answer a common question. Is Airwallex available in Canada? The answer is yes. Airwallex is available for eligible businesses in Canada and offers a variety of tools for managing international payments, multiple currencies, and global business finances. If you want to follow along, you'll find a link to Airwallex in the description below. For those who are not familiar with it, Airwallex is a financial platform designed for businesses. It helps companies receive payments, send international transfers, hold multiple currencies, and manage global transactions from a single dashboard. To check it out yourself, open the Airwallex website using the link in the description. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right-hand corner and click on the globe icon. A list of countries and regions will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Canada. After selecting Canada, you'll be redirected to the Canadian version of the website where you can view the products and services available for Canadian businesses. Next, take a look at the pricing plans. You'll see several options depending on the size and needs of your business. For this video, we're focusing on the Explore plan, which is completely free and a great option for getting started. It allows you to explore the platform and understand how it works before deciding whether you need a paid plan. To begin, click Get Started under the Explore plan. You'll be asked to enter your business email address and answer a few questions about your company. After that, provide your personal information, business details, and phone number. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll need to verify your email address and phone number. Depending on your business type, Airwallex may also request some documents to verify your business information. After your account is approved, you'll gain access to the Airwallex dashboard. From there, you can create multi-currency accounts, receive international payments, send money globally, and manage your business finances more efficiently. If you want to try Airwallex in Canada for free, click the link in the description below to create an account and choose a free plan called Explore.